Here's how to block someone on Messenger. Now you can see I have my iPhone and my Android. I'll show you exactly how to block somebody, but also walk you through how to do it so that they won't be notified or won't know that you have blocked them. So open up the Facebook Messenger app and tap on Menu at the bottom right. Next, tap on Settings at the top. Scroll down from here until you get to Privacy and Safety and tap on that. And scroll down, tap on Blocked Profiles. After you've done that, tap on Add at the top right or the plus at the top right, and you'll be able to see all of the profiles that you have on your account. If you want to block anybody, just tap on their name. It says block Trevor Nace. It will unfriend them on Facebook. It will prevent unwanted contact, and they will not be notified that you have blocked them. Just tap on the block button and they will no longer be able to call you, send you messages, or be friends with you on Facebook. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.